Hi everyone, Tony here. Today I'm showing you this beautiful Nata color from Master Mar factory. This is a customized one. Customer waited like 2 or 3 weeks to have the factory to let this bag done. The color here is beautiful. And yeah, I have to say bags from Master Mar factory is very expensive. But I do think it worth the money. Their stamp quality, the stitches quality they make, the leather they use with the vertical lines, this is the Togo one. Also their back shape, side place. Here the puffy chaps, here also puffy shape. And at the corner, very well done. Yeah. And inside here is the blind stamp. It is a K stamp. Then for the double stitches in several places. Also the zipper bar here, the correct hardware. They have the comparison pictures with the authentic bag, and there are 2 qualities. This is the best one, fully handmade. And if you are interested in seeing details, contact me to get. My customer service will send you all the details. Yeah, it's a great choice. I think a great choice for choosing a factory to make your Birkin Kelly bags. Thank you for watching.